Astigmatism is a common vision condition that causes blurred vision. It occurs when the cornea is irregularly shaped or sometimes because of the curvature of the lens inside the eye. Step-by-step astigmatism vision. Blurred vision becomes more pronounced, especially at night. The following are common signs and symptoms of astigmatism. Blurred or distorted vision at all distances. Headaches. Squinting in order to see clearly. Eye strain, especially when the eye has to focus for long periods. Difficulty seeing or driving at night. A person with these symptoms may not have astigmatism, but it is advisable to have an eye exam to check.